Hey, to be Reala here. Well, it's going to be a new last game. That's good, but the bad news is, finally, nice train will finally reveal, and it's a slot machine. Like it was. Well, even that, yes. So, mind you, we finally, as we always said, to get a new Lash game, and yes, this is basically what we get. This is basically what us Night fan would get. A slot machine. You can't be effing serious, Sega. What the F wrong with you? I mean, if you guys go over and Sonic, but now this is insulting. So yeah, nice to be in the game, and yet, Sega's part, especially nice, really happen with you to be a slot machine. And guess what it is? It don't sound or look good. Well, look good, I don't do, but it sound good, I might try at that. Well, Sega, what the hell wrong with you? What are you doing tonight, Sam? I'm pretty sure this is actually... Now, you think... Of course, most Night fans, true Night fans, know that Nightmaren is the worst Night game of all time. You know, I kind of disagree, you know, I haven't played it. But, I think this is... I don't know what to say about it. How? When the game is out yet, and yet Sega has probably messes up real bad, and Sega, can you please make an actual nice game? This is what this old gal actually get a slot machine. Not a fire cartoon and special, man. No, she gets this. And yeah, I'm still on foot like that she, even though that actual weird gender kind of projecting is actually male, but I'm still gonna call her female. For nice as a female. I'm not a big fan of this hype. So, what most of you all nice fans think of this concept we all think about? Me, I'm a bit afraid that Sega will screw that up. The kind of Georgians, but other Georgians is like the slightly better. We just will play Georgians than that game. That game does come out. Now, Marshall, I'm a big Night fan. You can tell with the I won the nice game, Nice Dream, the H Dream. Haven't won Nice Dream yet. See if it was something else on this video searching this guy. Comment down below what you all think about it. Is this guy. Stay tuned.